What is up, guys? We are, bam, back at it again. Sand. But we want to get this stuff done, so it ain't gonna do itself. What you guys up to this fine day? God, I love doing this. You just got to. Because you hate what you're doing if you didn't. But we got to get all this clear off of here. So we can refine this again. Get a color matched to the new paint job. We got a little bit left. We'll be good to go. Y'all hang out with us. Alright. We're down to the last little strip on the top. Sure. Almost there. We'll flip it over. Do the other side. Woo! Alright, and just like that, top is good. Wipe this baby off, check it out. And then it was here when I realized how much fun it was to sand the bottom of one of these hoods.